He is an incredible patient advocate. He's an incredible patient family advocate.
We had a gentleman that came in to the emergency department, an elderly man, and he was seen in the emergency department and was actually going to go straight into surgery. The gentleman refused to be admitted because he had so many things that he had to go and take his wife, elderly wife, that had to be done.
I said, so how about just letting me be your son for a couple of hours and just taking care of your wife? And I said, I promise that, we'll get everything done. I said, it would just be an honor to me to be able to help you out.
He takes the elderly lady all over town. They bought groceries. They had several tasks that had to be done with bills, and the gentleman would not relax until he knew that his wife had been taken care of, and Philip was the person for the job.
I would describe Philip as a person who has incredible integrity, awesome compassion, eager to make a difference for someone, just an all-around great person.